never said the roads were going to be this bad. Like, it's mental. I've actually taken my seatbelt off because I think that if it goes off a cliff, I want to kind of try and jump out or something. I don't know whether that's a good plan or a bad plan, but I don't know. Don't like it. Don't like it. Joking, this is probably the scariest podcast I've ever done. Oh my God. Thought I got lucky there. So just come up to the back of another van. I was hoping that that would slow us down, but the van pulled in, the guys overtaken, and now we're racing away here. So I'm not getting the minibus back to Cusco. I didn't like the road. I thought it was way too dangerous. All of the big drops and stuff down the mountainside. The driver was driving like a lunatic, even though we told him to slow down. So I paid a bit extra money and I'm getting on the train. And it's actually really nice, like super nice. It might be one of the nicest trains I've ever been on, actually. It's loud. Oh, I need a shave. It's got nice glass all over, including parts of the roof, so it should be a good panoramic view all the way around. Train only goes halfway to Cusco, so I have to get a taxi now from Olantaba or something. I'm rubbish with names, rubbish. But yeah, just gonna jump in a taxi now. Probably fall asleep because I'm absolutely knackered. Back to Cusco, and I've got a flight to Colombia tomorrow. Bring it on.